Hello everyone, this is Janice from Chelsea. We are dealing in building materials. Today, I want to introduce our products, Gypsum board. And this is the standard gypsum board, this is the waterproof gypsum board, and this is the fireproof gypsum board. I have 6 reasons for you to choose us. The first one is brand effect. Since 2002, China leading gypsum board and fiberboard manufacturer, and we are always the top 3, definitely not just cheap. The second one is certification. We have CE, ISO, and SGS and other certifications, so you don't have to worry about our quality. The third one is competitive price. Trust us can help you use bottom price to be the most competitive seller in your region. The first is weakest technology. The gypsum board can be made with 95% pure nature gypsum powder, no any smiles, more light and more strong. Next one is short lead time. We can produce 200 containers per month in our factory. Last but not least, top sales with professional skills make you feel easy and comfortable to inquiry our products or solve your problems, no matter pre-sales or after-sales. If you are interested in our products, please contact us. Bye bye!